The GH7 is an amazing camera and it's very complex. To get started, here are 10 important things you want to change in the settings. And at the end of the video, I'll give you 3 more tips that help me a lot. Firstly, to have full control over your video settings, we want to set the exposure mode to M. We set the mode dial to create a video. Now we're pressing the menu button. Here on the video we choose image quality 1, exposure mode, and we press one more time the menu button and then we select M for manual. Image quality for photos. We set the mode dial to M, then we go to menu, photo, image quality 1, and then we change the picture quality to what we like. We confirm by pressing menu, and then we go back. Now it's time to define what video resolution we want to record in. Menu, video mode. We're going to recording file format. The file format of my choice is MOV. If you have enough storage and a computer that can handle it, you can of course record in Apple ProRes. If you want something lighter, you go to MP4. However, you need to know whatever mode you're choosing, you might not have all options in terms of recording quality. And that is right underneath here. Recording quality, press the menu button, and now you can select from such a huge variety. The reason why I'm shooting 5.8K is that I can reframe my footage in post-production, and this way I can use my footage for YouTube videos as well as for TikTok. Now we want to choose the picture profile, how we are recording videos. So we go to menu, video, image quality 1, and we choose the photo style. Of course, if you're good in color grading, you can go to Vlog or anything else that you like. I'm not a movie maker, so for my purposes, the fastest and easiest to work with is Cinelike D2. Let's say you record videos in Vlog. You don't want to share the same picture profile for your videos as you shoot photos. In order to have separate individual profile settings for photo and for video, you need to go to Settings, Image Quality, and then here to Create a Video Combined Settings. And wherever you see a camera, that means these are the settings for both photo and video. If you want to change this, go to Photo Style and select Video Only. Now you have a separate photo style for video and another one for photo. And here you can see it. When I switch the mode dial to create a video, you see I have Cine D2, and when I switch it back to manual, you see I have the natural profile for my photos. To have better control over your audio, it's always a good idea to have the sound levels on your display. I want to go here to menu, video, down to audio, and under audio 1 we turn the sound record level display on. I have a CF Express Type B card and an SD card in my GH7, and I want to select which card is for video and which card is for photo. We go to menu, under the wrench, we go to card file, and here we select double card slot function. So here you can assign a card for each of the file types. I picked card 1 for video and card 2, which is my SD card, for photo. And here on the recording method, you can select if you want this to switch over as an overflow backup when the card is full, or if you want your files to be recorded on both cards simultaneously, or if you want to have it separate, photos on one card, videos on the other card. And now we want to have our footage leveled. Go to menu, then we select Settings, Monitor, Level Gauge, and we turn it on. The histogram is a really good indicator for the right exposure. To have it on your display, go to Menu, go to Settings, then Monitor, and turn the histogram on. And now you can drag it to wherever you'd like to have it on your display. Since I'm shooting open gate and reframe my footage later on, I like to have an idea where the actual 16:9 ratio is. To make sure not to record out of frame and to stay within limits, I turned the frame marker on. Go to Menu, Settings and Monitor. And down here you find frame marker and simply turn them on. You can also set them and you can choose which ratio you want to have them in and also which color. Now here are 3 more settings that help me personally a lot. The GH7 is famous for its amazing stabilization. Here's how you get to it. Menu, Video, Others, and here you find the image stabilizer. You can set it to standard or to high. But you also need to know that it crops in a little bit on your sensor. Nothing to worry, it's still good footage. Then we also have the option for Boost IS. This is perfect if you have a fixed angle, if you're not intending to pan the camera around. Setting the E-stabilization to high and then adding the Boost IS video feature that would give you a stabilization performance as if your camera was on a gimbal. Now if you have multiple shooting scenarios you would like to prepare for, then you can program custom functions. And to do this, you go to the menu, select the wrench, and you go to Settings, and here you can save your settings to your C dial. And these were the first settings that are really crucial in order to get started with your GH7. Congratulations, you made an excellent choice and I'm sure you'll have a blast. Happy filming, happy producing, and thanks so much for watching this video. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned and take care. Bye for now.